Hey everybody, welcome to Andy's Automotive. Special transmission fill plug that most people don't know about, and I found it using a mix of Google, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Normally, shine down here. I'm gonna face the camera in here. Normally, your fill plug is down here on the front of the transmission. You got to take the turbo tube off to get good access to it. But we're gonna skip all that, and we're gonna go right here. So this is a 2015 09G transmission. You can see the plug I'm pointing at. It's a T55. Yep. Got my cameraman today, so y'all get a decent video. All right. That is what we're going to take out. So stand by, and I'll show you because I'm going to fill the transmission now. Disregard my engine that looks kind of jank in some places here. This is just some nylon protection, so my intake sits here. Again, this used to be the standard, not IS-12, but the reverse of that. It was not IS-12, it was not MQB style, it was the opposite. So I converted it to MQB style, and now we're going with, I gotta put some transmission fluid in because one of my lines to my oil cooler was leaking. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this plug off, and then I'll fill it up a little bit. I'm not putting very much. Ideally, you want a really good, this is a service plug. Whether it's specifically for filling or not, it's irrelevant. It fills it normal, just like it would if you were going from the bottom. This is the plug. It's got an O-ring on it. All right, or cap rather. All right, put that aside. Show our little funnel here. Top Tech 1800. This is the ATF I've used in my 2021 Volkswagen Atlas 2.0, 09 PG GP, whatever it's called. And then this 09G on this one as well. And I change it every 30,000 miles now. We're gonna get the little spout. If you're brave, you can attempt to get this straight down there, but you're probably gonna spill it all over the place. Doing it this way, I'll only spill a little. I probably lost about half a quart, so I'm gonna put about half a quart. It fills very slowly. There is a breather on the transmission as well, further back I believe, but don't try to take that off. Just stick with this plug. If your plug has it, it's right next to the transmission shift linkage. So if you do have it, good for you. This is the easiest way to fill the transmission. You can still bottom fill it if you want, but I feel like it's a waste of time. But if you get a skinny enough funnel with a tall enough bucket on it, you can totally fill it this way instead. So, but that'll conclude the video. And just letting you guys know, it's 2015 Volkswagen Passat 1.8 turbo gas, and it has the 09G transmission, and this is the alternate transmission fill plug. Cheers.